Saudi Arabia is building a smart city project worth $500 billion in its northwestern province of Tabuk. This project contains many sub-projects such as the Line, Neom Industrial City called Oxagon, Bay and International Airport, smart and sustainable agriculture and manufacturing zones, and the Trojana. Being built with high ambitions, and the project is the brainchild of Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman and was launched on October 24, 2017 in a meeting organized in Riyadh. This project idea was conceived under the Saudi 2030 plan, the aim of which is to reduce the dependency of the Saudi economy on oil and push towards other key and emerging domains such as technology and sustainable living, infrastructure, logistics, and tourism. The District of Neom has been announced to have its own governmental framework, tax and labor laws, and even an autonomous judicial system, which has surprised many of the people worldwide. The first and most important project of Neom has been the line. It is a linear city with no cars or any other conventional transport system, but a high-speed public transit system for both people and goods on a lower level of the linear city. It would be a hyperlink style vacuum tube running from one end to another of this 170-kilometer line. The lower level is basically the backbone of the city. On the middle and the upper level, there would be shops, offices, homes for people, and open space and public infrastructure such as parks and open green spaces, respectively. For daily commute, people will rely either on walking or high-speed transit built underground. The city would extensively use the services of robots, drones for logistics, delivery, manufacturing, and even caregiving. The whole city has been built on the premise that most of the conventional cities are the product of the post-industrial revolution and are built for factories and other supporting infrastructure rather than for people. The city will also have a temperature control mechanism keeping the inside temperature much cooler than the surrounding district. Apart from this, the project would make its own water, grow own foods by collaborating the agricultural technology into the city. The next one is Neom's industrial city called Oxagon. It is an octagonal floating city, half on water and half on land. The city would be majorly a port city, serving as an important node for connecting and operating trade through the Red Sea and the Suez Canal. Oxagon will have a deep sea port, green hydrogen plant, seaside resorts, manufacturing facilities, major logistic warehouses, and a hub for developing smart future technologies. All of this would be powered completely by renewable and clean energy. The third one is Trojana, a mountain resort built on the Sarawak Mountains of the Arabian Peninsula. It will be the world's first class tourist destination blending incredible infrastructure and architecture with splendid beauty of the mountain views. Visitors would get to enjoy varied sport activities such as mountain biking, paragliding adventure sports, along with extraordinary experiences of art shows, yoga, night shows, cultural week, music, and food festivals. But the main attraction of Trojana would be that it's one of the world's first class skiing resort and other snow sports, and the only one in the Arabian Peninsula. Moreover, Trojana has been granted to host 2029 Asian Winter Games. For such ambitious futuristic project built with enormous money on the line, it needs to be accessible to the people across the globe. For this, it has an international airport providing access for 40% of the world's population to Lyon within 4 hours by flight. But not quite everyone is excited about it. This utopian project has attracted some real critics. First, the Human Rights Watch Group has raised an alarm about the forceful relocation of people already living in the area for the construction, and the Saudi judicial system has even awarded some tribesmen a death verdict for resisting. Recently, after the assassination of Saudi journalist Jamal Khashoggi in the Saudi embassy in Turkey, some people distanced themselves from the project. Moreover, Khashoggi's killing has gained the Saudi prince a lot of criticism and hatred from from around the globe.